So if you're comfortable with another language while you're using a software, then you can change the language of Microsoft Teams as well. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot button right here and then go to settings and then scroll down on the general tab right here. So once you go around over here right now, you can see that the app language is English right here. But you can go around and change this to any language that you wish right here, as you can see from the choices that you have right here. So let's say I'm going to go around and change it to Italian right here. So what you have to do is you have to click on save and restart the application. Go around and save and restart right here. Then you can see that the Microsoft Teams application opens again. It actually restarts out right here just like this. And you see the new language over here, as you can see. So if I were to go around, you can see that the software is now on a new language. So I'm just going to go around onto the same area right here. And I don't really understand the language right here. So I'm just going to go around and change that back into English. So I'm just going to go around and scroll this out to English United States and click save right here just like this. And it restarts out the application, as you can see right here. So apart from the system language, you can also go around onto settings right here, and then you can go around and change out, let's say, for example, the keyboard language right over here as well. So here you can see that you can type in different language of your choice as well. And of course, this requires restarting Teams as well, and this enables the spell check for the language that you select as well. And that is how you can work around with language settings inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.